Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up React Router with Authentication Guards step by step clearly. To get started with downloading React Router, open your terminal. Make sure you are in your React project directory. Run the command npm install React Router DOM. Wait for the installation to finish. Next, we will set up the basic structure for routing. Create a new file named app.js if it doesn't already exist. In app.js, import the necessary components from React Router. You will need browser router, route, and switch. Now, wrap your main application component with browser router. This will enable routing throughout your app. Inside the browser router, add a switch component. Next, define your routes using the route component. For example, create a home route that renders a home component. You can also create a login route that renders a login component. Now, we will implement authentication guards. First, create a function named private route. This function will take a component and props as parameters. Inside private route, check if the user is authenticated. You can simulate authentication with a simple Boolean variable. If the user is authenticated, render the component. If not, redirect to the login page using redirect. Import redirect from React Router DOM for this purpose. In your app component, replace your regular routes with private route for protected routes. This ensures that only authenticated users can access those routes. Next, implement a mock authentication system. You can create a simple auth service that handles login and logout. In your auth service, create functions to set and get the authentication status. When a user logs in, set the authentication status to true. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.